This little guy is the Wandrd D1 Fanny Pack in Wasatch Green. Minimalist in design, but packed with thoughtful details for people who move with purpose. At 2 liters, it's compact but surprisingly roomy. I can fit a camera, phone, wallet, power bank, GoPro, my passport, and a snack bar or 2. There is an internal mesh organizer for the little things, a key clip I actually use, and weather-resistant zippers, because, let's face it, the weather is very changeable wherever you are. I took the Wandrd D1 Fanny Pack to Scotland recently, thinking I'd test it out on a mellow stroll in the city.
Really well done, isn't it?
So cool.
Whether hiking a quiet trail, navigating a new city, or hopping between shoots, this pack keeps my essentials close without ever getting in the way. Worn around the waist, it sits snugly as a hip pack, perfect for when I want quick access to my phone, wallet, or memory cards on the go. But it becomes even more versatile when I switch it up and sling it crossbody. It hugs the body just right and feels surprisingly secure, whether I'm walking through crowds or climbing over rocks. The Wasatch Green color is subtle and earthy, the perfect nod to urban or natural environments. It's not just about how it carries, though. It's about how it fits into my flow, adapting to the moment, not asking for attention, just doing its job beautifully. The D1 just held everything in place like a quiet little legend. No bouncing, no digging in, and definitely no regrets. In Scotland, there was a gentle all-day drizzle the days I was there, but the bag was completely dry in the internal section, and the external was dry within minutes of being inside a restaurant. I even got asked what the bag was and comments about how sleek it looked. A pack that disappears when you don't need it and shines when you do. My low-key, high-function travel sidekick is the Wandrd D1 Fanny Pack. For more information, the link is in the description.